Radhe Radhe, my beautiful souls. If you are born on 1st, 10th, 19th or 28th of any month, this message is meant for you. You belong to the family of Sun. Sun, the king of all planets. You carry within you the light of the creation, the courage to lead, and the will to stand tall even in darkness. You people are born to rule, not necessarily over people, but over your field, wherever you work, wherever you go. You are born to rule your destiny and your inner kingdom. Just like some of the world's most powerful and visionary leaders like Bill Gates, Mukesh Ambani ji, Ratan Tata ji, Tim Cook, Elon Musk, you people also vibrate with the same frequency they are vibrating. The frequency of number 1, the ruler. You are meant to bring new ideas into the world and guide others with your light. But with great light also comes great responsibilities, my dear friends. And that is what we'll understand today. Your strengths, your hidden challenges, and gentle remedies that help your inner sun shine and balance with grace. Take a deep breath as this journey is about you, your divine solar vibrations, my dear friends. Let's talk about your strengths first. You are a natural leader. You rarely depend on others to show you the way. You become the path yourself. You carry strong willpower and determination. Once you decide to do something, nothing can truly stop you from doing it. You're very creative. You're very true to yourself, very original and very bold. You love to start new things. Whether it's a business, a project, or any dream. Do you know? You people inspire others just by being yourself. When people look at you, they often feel a sudden rush of motivation. And one of your most beautiful gifts, you know what is that? You rise again and again. Even if life throws you down, you have the inner strength to rebuild yourself from scratch. Even if you hit rock bottom, you don't need any external motivation. You yourself are enough. You are truly the rising sun, very radiant, very brave, and full of purpose. Now, let's talk about your challenges which you mostly face in day-to-day life. Because when it comes to your positive sides, there are so many other positive sides also. And it's countless, it's infinite. When it comes to your inner challenges, every light has a shadow. And yours too teaches you valuable lessons. Sometimes, in your desire to lead, you may come across as too dominant for others. Not because you're willing to harm them or harm anybody, but because you expect others to match your pace. You may also feel very impatient at times. wanting everything to happen instantly, isn't it? There are moments when you feel nobody really understands you because your thoughts are ahead of time and your emotions are deeper than most people realize. You may feel lonely from within at times. My dear friend, this loneliness sometimes makes you silent, very silent, and distant from others. Even when your heart is craving for connections, you keep yourself isolated for the time being. You also carry a tendency to do everything by your own. Dear friend, this is not always possible. As if trusting others might slow you down. Because most of the time, others are not able to be by your side to match your pace. But dear friends, remember, the sun shines not only for itself, but for all the creations. You are meant to inspire with warmth, not with pressure. Isn't it? See, now I'll talk about some gentle remedies for lifelong harmony, okay? The purpose of remedies is not to fix you, dear friends. You are not broken. They simply help your solar energy flow in the right direction, calmly and beautifully. If possible, try to offer water to the rising sun everyday basis by chanting Surya mantras. Or you can do morning meditation or Surya Namaskar. Try to wear solar colors or light, bright colors like saffron, orange, gold, bright yellow, specifically on Sundays. You know why? Because these shades remind your soul of its true brilliance. You will feel even more confident when you are wearing these shades. Try to be kind when you lead. See, people already see you as strong, very strong personality. They will definitely follow you more willingly when they also feel your warmth. Dear friend, please understand, people love to feel the warmth, not the burn. It absolutely depends on you. If possible for you, try to spend more and more time with your father, the elderly father figures, or your mentors. You know why? Because they are the earthly channel of the sun in your life. A simple gesture of respect strengthens your destiny even more. Try to keep a small gold or copper coin in your wallet or wherever you're working. It symbolizes constant abundance and courage. And when you're using fragrance, try to use the fragrance of sandalwood. Okay, it will help you a lot, tremendously. Not necessarily all these remedies you are supposed to do. You can follow any one of them if you like to. To understand your power, look at the people who share your vibration. Bill Gates, Mukesh Ambani ji, Ratan Tata ji, Tim Cook, Elon Musk, which I have already mentioned in the beginning. Each of them carries the sun's brilliance, courageous vision, innovation and determination. Their journey shows us that Root One people are not meant to live small. You are destined to dream big. Lead fearlessly, my dear friend, and illuminate new paths to others. Be the real sun for everybody around. Isn't it? My dear Root One souls, you are the first spark of creation, the number of beginnings, the independence, inspiration to others. The whole world needs your light, but it also needs your warmth, my dear friend. So wherever you go, whatever you build, do it with full heart. Bow to the rising sun each morning and let it whisper to your soul. You are light, you are power, you are purpose. Always remember, dear friends, you were never born to compete with others. You're born to rule. You're born to shine. God bless you. Radhe Radhe.